Hello everyone, this is the homework video number 26 for Im2. So first it asks you to sketch a circle with radius 5 and the center point -1, -3. So -1, -3 is right here. So I've identified the center and radius of 5. That means I need to move 5 to the right. Is right here, 5 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up is here. And 5 to the left, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here, and then 5 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, I could have just used my coordinates, okay? 5 plus -1 is +4. 5 minus, -1 minus 5 is -6, and so on too. Okay, now that I have drawn the outline, or the outer limits, the vertical and horizontal limit of the circle, I can draw a circle the best I can. Much easier on paper than on the laptop. Here we go. So that's my circle. Sketch the circle with radius 2 and center point 0, 2. Okay, where is my 0, 2? 0 is my x, 2 is my y. Okay, so that's my center. Then from here, I am going to move 2 to the right. 2 to the right is here. 2 up, 2 left, and 2 down. So it's much smaller circle. Okay. Okay, then number 3, write the radius and center points of the circle. Then use them to write the equation of the circle. Where is the center? Center, to identify the center, it's the widest point horizontally. And if I was to draw a line here, it's this one. And the longest vertical width as well. And this is going to be my center here. Center is 0, 0. Okay, and what about the radius? Radius is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and equals to 6. So radius is 6, center is 0, 0. That means h is 0 and k is 0 into the equation. Y, no, it's x minus h, which is 0. All squared plus y minus k, which is 0 squared, is equal to radius squared. That's 6 squared. X minus 0 is same as x. So I can write x squared. Y minus 0 is same as y. So it's y squared is equal to 6 squared is 36. So that is my equation. Okay, next. Again, the center is my vertical and horizontal. Center is going to be 0, 0. What about radius? Radius in this case is 3. 3 units to the right, 3 to the left, and so on. So that means h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. So my equation is going to be x minus 0, which is same as x squared, plus y minus 0, which is same as y. So y squared is equal to 3 squared, which is 9. Alright, next side. Identify the center. Center is right here because that's the widest point and the tallest point. Okay, so the center in this case is 1, -2. Center is 1, -2. That means h is 1, k is -2. What about radius? Radius is 1, 2, 3. Radius is 3. So that leaves us with x minus h, which is 1, all squared, plus y minus 2. All squared is equal to 3 squared. Rewriting this in the simplified version is x minus 1 all squared plus y minus minus 2 is same as y plus 2 all squared is equal to 3 squared is 9. So that's my equation. Number 6. Center is going to be right here, so that's going to be 2, 4. So center is 2, 4. What is the radius? Radius is 2. 2 units to the right. Okay, so that means the h, this is my h value and this is my k value. So the equation is going to be x minus 2 whole squared plus y minus 4 whole squared is equal to 2 squared. I can write 2 squared or I can write 4. And since we don't have anything to simplify, I'm going to leave it as it is. Number 7. What is the center? Center is 1, 0. Center is 1, 0 and radius is 2. So that means the equation, this is my h value, this is my k value. Equation is going to be x minus 1 whole squared plus y minus 0. Y minus 0 is same as y. So it's going to be just y squared is equal to r squared, which is 4. Okay, what about this? The center is negative 2, negative 1. So center is negative 2, negative 1. Radius is 1. Okay, it's 1 unit up or in all direction. This is my h value, this is my k value, so the equation becomes x minus minus 2 all squared plus y minus minus 1 squared is equal to 1 squared. Simplifying the two negative negatives, that becomes x plus 2 all squared plus y plus 1 all squared is equal to 1. And that's my equation. Okay. Alright, so then number 9 and 10, 11 and 12. This time we need to identify the center and the radius of each. Okay, so remember the equation, the template is x minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared is equal to radius squared. Okay, so here what is my h value? H value is just positive 6 and k value is just 3 because we want the negative sign right there. So center is going to be 6, 3. What about radius? This is going to be r squared is 16. R squared is 16. R squared is 16, so r is radius is square root of 16, which is 4. Okay, so this is going to be h and k here, and k, because this is minus, k is just going to be 1. H, because this is x minus x plus 10, I can change this to x minus minus 10, so h is minus 10 here. So center is going to be minus 10, 1, and radius, this is radius squared. So radius squared is 49, so the radius is square root of 49, which is 7. Again, this is going to be x minus 14, so h is my 14, and y plus 13, so I can change this to y minus minus 13, so that becomes my k. That means center is going to be 14, negative 13, and radius squared is 9, so radius is going to be square root of 9, which is 3. Here, this is same as x minus minus 9, So h is minus 9, and k is, this is same as y plus 6 is y minus minus 6. Or you can think of it as the opposite side of whatever is in the value here. That's my k, and this is my r squared, which is 16. So r is equal to 4, and center is going to be negative 9, comma, negative 6. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.